Hi guys, it's Dr. Khan Wen from Austin Regenerative Therapy. Today I'm going to talk about facial rejuvenation, in particular the Vampire Facelift. So this is definitely one of my favorite procedures to naturally rejuvenate the skin on the face, the neck, the chest. This is a non-surgical, minimally invasive procedure that can address many issues related to age of the skin, meaning the color is no longer youthful and pink, it's become grayish, lines and wrinkles, the skin is looking droopy and sagging, in particular the neck, hollowness under the eyes and the cheek, also acne scarring. So all of these issues can be addressed. As far as skin rejuvenation, there are other options. The ultimate is a surgical facelift, and obviously this is a lot more invasive, a lot more downtime, painful, and very expensive. Other things such as fillers and Botox fillers are used to to put back the natural volume of the face. The problem is that can be overfilled, and then that can give you an overfill look, an unnatural look. Botox or neurotoxin in general, it's great for wrinkles, but it doesn't address the quality of your skin. So what is the Vampire Facelift? This is a procedure using PRP, which stands for platelet-rich plasma, and that is from your own body, and it contains a lot of growth factors. PRP has been around for a long time. Initially in the early 90s, it was used by the dentist and the thoracic surgeon. And then in the late 90s by the orthopedic surgeon for joints and muscle-related issues. And now it has been spread into the aesthetic arena, also the sexual space and hair rejuvenation as well. And based on the same principle, using your own body growth factor to induce and speed up that healing and regeneration process. So in particular for the Vampire Facelift, what would happen is you will come in and we'll take a procedure picture, and then we'll talk about the areas that we're going to address, the things that bother you. And then I'm going to put in a topical numbing cream all over your face and whatever area that we're going to cover. And typically I also include the neck, the chest, and sometimes the hands as well. And then I'm going to draw blood. It's a simple blood draw. And I'm going to take that blood and put it in a centrifuge that will concentrate and separate out the plasma, which contain a lot of growth factor. So the procedure for the Vampire Facelift, after your skin is being numbed with a topical cream and you had a blood drawn and the PRP is processed, what I'll do is using both the cannula and a very small gauge needle to inject into specific area of the face and other targeted area. By injecting PRP into the skin, that alone creates signal that there are injuries, and the body naturally will turn on the repair cascade. And on top of that, we inject the concentrated growth factor, so that really enhances the whole regenerative process. After injecting with growth factor from your own PRP, from your own blood, I almost always follow with microneedling. And then we apply the topical PRP on top of microneedling. Microneedling is, briefly, it's just another procedure using a device with tiny needles on the tip, and that will go over the skin. And this is more like to attack the surface of the skin. And it's great to tighten pores, even out the skin pigmentation, and just like a quick tightening up and touch up of the skin. And microneedling is something that I highly recommend for people, if possible, to do it even every 3-4 months, whenever you need a touch up of your skin. So once injected, the body will have the signal to start making more collagen, more elastin, more blood flow, and therefore kind of really bring your skin back to 10, 15 years younger. And therefore it creates a very natural look. The procedure takes about 45 minutes total. The result, right after the procedure, there's really no downtime. You might end up with bruises here and there, but it's very minimal. You can go back to normal routine the next day. And for the first 5-7 days, you're gonna have this natural glow. And with time, that's where the real magic happens, and that's when you see more collagen, more elastin, more blood flow to the skin, creating this very natural looking younger skin. A lot of my patients frequently would tell me that they start to get a lot of compliments on their skin, that they just look good, and not like what you have done, but it's just like, hey, you just look really good. That's why I love this procedure. It creates that young looking but very natural look. If you or anyone you know who's interested in this procedure, I'll be more happy to talk to you more about it. You can call us at 512-991-2560 or reach out to us on our website at austinregion.com. Thank you.